This is our first full day in Oklahoma City, and we just checked into the Skirvin. It is a historic hotel here in downtown Oklahoma City. I'm going to show you guys around. I'm standing here in the entrance of our room. It's actually a suite. Very nice of them to host us and hook us up with that. I'm going to flip the camera around. And so this is the entrance here. And as we swing around, here is the kind of the living area, the gathering area with nice windows there. TJ's hanging out. You have a little office seating area there. Of course, TV in here. And as we swing back around from the entryway, if you turned left, you head into the bedroom. There's a king-size bed. There's a closet in there on the other side of the room as well. We're back to the entrance, and then the restroom, the bathroom is here with vanity, commode, and then a walk-in shower. So very nice, lots of room in here for us. We're going to be here for a few nights before we head over to our next hotel here in Oklahoma City. So we are in the basement level of the Skirvin, which has the business center, has a gym, it has the pool, but it also has an entrance to a tunnel system that goes under downtown Oklahoma City. So when you come down this way, you're gonna come off the stairs in the elevator and you're gonna head over to your right. And hopefully these doors are open because it's the weekend. I think they close. I think the tunnels close at like 5. You push through these doors, and this hallway here leads right into the tunnels.